So have you ever had a question, or maybe a basic concern, or maybe it's a concern about a question, or maybe you're questioning a concern? Either way, when you get to the bottom of it, you feel like this is something I should know. Shouldn't I? But here's the thing. You know where to go to get the answers, but you still don't want to ask the question because you feel like it's something you should know. What's up, everybody? It's Manish from the Wastegate, and guys, I got to tell you, I am bubbling over with excitement and enthusiasm because we're about to produce an all-new segment on the Wastegate. I got to tell you, I'm so excited because this new series, Ask the Owner, it's going to be you-centric. It's all about your questions, your concerns, the things that you're wondering about as it relates to Porsche ownership, the Porsche experience. Maybe you're a Porsche owner and it's something that you think you should know or you're curious about. Or maybe you're an enthusiast, or maybe even just a car lover, and you got some questions that you want to ask, but you don't really know who to ask. Now again, this is a you-centric series, which means you and only you are the most important part, which means I need your questions, your concerns, the things that you're wondering about and just don't know where to go to find the information. I need you to shoot those my direction. And it's very simple, just a name, just what you drive, whether you're a Porsche owner or enthusiast, where you're from, and what's the question. Now, okay, let's be fair. Let's keep this about Porsches or about the Porsche car culture. This is not going to be a platform for a bunch of gripes, although you may have some valid concerns that may be on the edge of griping. Either way, send them my direction because our goal is really to create just a community of information. So if it's something as simple as where's the best place to buy my tires, or what's the difference between a yellow check engine light and a red check engine light, hey, this is the place. So again, put them in the comments and I'll do my best to spotlight your question and get the information out there. Now guys, here's the thing. If you are a Wastegate subscriber, a regular to the channel, I want to take this moment to thank you for the thriving success that we've had in such a short period of time. But on the other hand, if you just happen to land on this video and curious about the Wastegate experience, well, I request, I plead, I implore you to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the future content. And it also lets the algorithm know that the Wastegate is just as important as some of those bigger channels over there. So again, guys, ask the owner. Your comments will make this a success. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.